So I'm starting off with the silicone mix shampoo. I typically like to use the silicone mixes shampoo because I feel like it works better with the conditioner, but that could just be me. The bottle is really hard to squeeze, so I typically lay the wig down in the sink and I squeeze it with both hands because, listen, it is difficult. I probably shouldn't wash my wigs as aggressive as I do, but whenever I'm gentle with it and nice to it, it takes the longest. So I've found that this is like the quickest way. And once I finish running all of the shampoo out of the wig, I like to go over it again with some more water because it's so important to make sure all of the shampoo is out. So now we're going in with the Silicone Mix Deep Conditioner. This one is the Protein. I don't know how to say that one. And then we're also going to use the Kiss Semi-Permanent Crystal Clear Dye. Now we're going to mix these two together. I just eyeballed how much I wanted to add in there, but I do want to warn you that this Protein one has a very strong perfume smell. So if you don't like strong scents, do not get this one. Now I'm just mixing them together with my finger. I didn't feel like a brush was necessary, and I'm just gonna lather that all over my wig. So while deep conditioning, I like to run a detangling comb through the wig just so I can make sure that I'm evenly spreading the deep conditioner as well as getting out any tangles. This really makes the washing out part so much easier. Now that we're finished detangling, we're gonna go ahead and just put this in a plastic bag and we're going to stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now that you've taken the wig out of the bag, go ahead and start washing out that conditioner. When you do take the wig out of the bag, it's going to be extremely hot, so be sure to run some cool water on the wig first so that way you can handle it. Now that our wig is dry, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Chi Serum. This is more serving like a heat protectant, and I'm just going to blow dry my hair. I did allow this wig to air dry outside overnight, but now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it because I do like that blow dried look. And y'all, I was very impressed with the results. This looks very healthy, and this is the most shine that I've ever seen on this wig since I bought it. Now I'm going in with the BioSilk. I don't have a particular heat protectant, so I'm just using this, and I'm going to curl my hair. And once I finish curling, I'm just going to go ahead and hold it for about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to release it and add a clip so that way the curls can stay. And this is the wig with everything curled. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some bedhead hardhead spray, and I'm just going to spray the curls because I need them to hold. Okay, y'all, so this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around. This was looking like, I'm not really sure if, I don't really feel like it gave like that sheen that they've talked about. Maybe it'll look better in the sunlight, I'm not sure. But I just don't feel like it gave what TikTok says it was supposed to give. I do feel like my hair is softer, but I don't feel like, I don't feel like it's a little bit more sheen or shinier than it's supposed to. But I do feel like this looks pretty good. It feels pretty manageable, and hopefully it lasts throughout the week. But we'll see.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's a day after, and I just want to apologize because last night I wasn't grateful for how this turned out. This is day 2. I know you guys can't really see too much of the sheen that it's giving, but add the crystal clear to your silicone mix. Add the crystal clear to your silicone mix, girl. This is the most healthiest that this wig has looked since I bought the wig. I've been struggling with the wig looking a little dull, especially after I style. I don't know if you guys use the Fantasia heat protectant spray. Oh my gosh, it's the worst. Stop using that. But I didn't use it this time. I used more of like the Bio Silk, which you guys saw in the Chi. But either way, I didn't use anything this morning. But curls have already fallen. But y'all, this definitely added a more healthier look to my hair. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do this with the Brazilian wig. I would have to get one, of course, so let me know down in the comments. And maybe we can do a side-by-side comparison, but all I'm saying is do the crystal clear thing, get you some before they start selling it out and taking all of it and hoarding all of it and making it expensive. And let me know what you think. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.